Morning or good afternoon already. My name is Ling and I'm the founder and CEO of UNTestable. So I've been coding for 16 years. I know I look very young. And I mentor junior devs whenever I can. And after 16 years of testing, folks sometimes ask me, hey Ling, what's the secret to reducing bugs in code? I tell you the secret is very easy. It's to delete it. No code, no bug. No. Bad advice. Don't listen to me. Okay, I tell you, the correct answer is automate your tests. But sounds very easy, right? Should be a piece of cake. And this is why we make the junior developers do it. No lah. Actually, it's because it's a pain in the ass. That's why I make the junior developer do it. Okay, but there are a lot of hard problems in testing, especially when it comes to the UI. So date pickers, hard. Drag and drop, hard. Maps, hard. Crypto wallets, I test before, hard. Now, last year I did a presentation also. Pressing button, also very hard. Yeah. So today I'm going to talk to you about MFA. What is MFA? I'm sure all of you have encountered it before. It's called Fun Authentication. If you don't know what is mafan means troublesome in Chinese. The more mafan, the more secure. Ask any cybersecurity people, they will agree. Yeah, more mafan, more secure. Okay? So what is MFA? It means using 2 or more factors to verify your identity. Commonly, something you know, like your password, and then something you own, like your mobile phone. And something you are, like your face, your eyeballs. And in some environments, like financial systems and enterprises, this is often mandated. You often need to have a token. Okay, so how do you test, or how do QA teams test systems that are behind mandated MFA? So a few ways is to disable it, or right? In testing environments, sometimes you can mock the MFA systems, or we can set up some test accounts where we know the secrets and we can generate the OTP. However, sometimes these strategies don't work because maybe your organizations do not allow MFA to be disabled on any environment, even if it's test environments. Maybe the MFA is really complicated to mock because it's integrated with SSO. Maybe you want to test if the application is correctly handling the callbacks from a SSO system that has mandated MFA. Maybe you want to test production, or maybe you want to do RPA on production for some reason. And sometimes you just want to test the contents of the email and the SMS sent by the MFA system. So how do we test it? So I'm going to show a few demos today. We are going to see how can we test email OTP, SMS OTP, as well as time-based OTP. Okay, so for time-based OTP lets you test systems that connect to social media networks, because a lot of them allow you to configure a time-based OTP, set it up with an authenticated app. So you can actually use this for a number of websites that require you to log in with social media accounts as well. Okay, so for email OTP, what we are going to test is HQ.xyz, which is a fintech SaaS, and because they are a fintech SaaS, they have a mandated MFA that is sent via email. So they are using Auth0 to implement their user authentication. And what we are going to do today is we are going to use Selenium WebDriver on Node.js, as well as Inbox Kitten, which is made by us at UNTestable. It's a free disposable email service. Okay, so let me show you. This is Inbox Kitten. It's really, really cute. It gives you emails fetched by serverless kittens. And then this is one of the example emails that we get from HQ when you trigger their OTP. Okay, so let me show you the code itself. So I'm not going to bother telling you what the automation code is. I'm just going to jump right into the OTP code itself. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so once assume that you have already triggered the OTP flow and you see the text, enter the code that we have just sent. What you want to do is you want to get your automation script to open a new tab, switch to the tab, open the inbox, and we'll give it the email address that we want to open. So with a disposable email service, you do not need to have a separate email and password to enter. You just go straight in the inbox and you can get the mail already. So we add a short wait to wait for our email to arrive, and then we'll just check for our email subject, grab the latest one, and then after that we will grab the email body, and then we'll use regex to just extract our OTP out. Once we get our OTP, then we will go back into our login and then fill in our OTP. So let's run this piece of code. So let me go ahead and trigger that. Okay, moment of truth. Just gonna play some music. Whoop, there you go. You have to wait for 20 seconds for the email to arrive first.
That music copyright free.
It's from Neko Atsume. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that one is using Inbox Kitten. You can actually host Inbox Kitten if you want to. We have a GitHub repo for it. And then now, SMS OTP. So SMS OTP is a lot more complicated. You need to get a real phone number to do this. So for this, we are testing Airbnb, which has a mobile phone as your identity. So it will send you, every time you log in, they will send you OTP. And my fingers crossed that today's demo would run well because I got rate limited a few times. So to do this, what we are going to use is MailerSaw, which also provides email testing, but more importantly, they have a SMS inbox for you. So once you have a MailerSaw account, you can set up a new phone number. They will give you, for me, I have gotten a US phone number from them. And then here's my Airbnb verification code once we receive it, which is really simple to use. So let's have a look at our OTP, SMS OTP example. So this one is very similar to the email example. We are going to wait for SMS to arrive, and then we will import the MailerSaw client from MailerSaw, and then we'll give it our API key, our server ID, and then we'll wait for the SMS to arrive. Once we got it, we'll again use regex to extract our OTP out, and then we'll go back to our browser tab to fill in our OTP. So let me hope that I'm not really limited. Oh, what's wrong? Oh. Hello. Hey. No. Okay. Let's try and solve this right now. Oh, how do you solve this? Why is this so complicated? This is... No! What is this? Why did it make it so hard these days? Is this right? Too done.
Let's book our hotel instead.
Oh fuck, what is this? Why is there so many? One thing I can't solve with automation is reCAPTCHA. Even with AI. My god, how am I supposed to rotate this to the right one? Cannot.
You're not human.
I give up. I give up. Yeah. I give up. But you get the idea, okay? Okay, well, then let's talk about OTP, time-based OTP testing. Okay, so today for OTP testing, we're testing Featherless, which has a Google login, as well as GitHub and Discord login. But all of this supports you pairing it with an authenticated app, and basically whenever you pair it with an authenticated app, you get a QR code which contains the secret which seeds your OTP. So then what we'll do is we'll use the OTP generator library to solve this problem. Okay, so let's have a look. So before you automate run the automation, you first need to get your secret. For Google, it's quite straightforward. Once you go into your account, you click on Authenticator, and then you get a QR code, but just say that you can't scan the QR code, and then this will give you the secret over here. So you grab that secret, and then we can use this library to generate our OTP. Ta-da! Okay, so let's go and run this. Run the next example. There you go. So this is pretty much it. The code is really, really short. Dun dun. Okay. Should run really fast. I hope I don't get rate limited either. Problems with testing on production. I think we got in. Ta-da! Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, that's how to test email, SMS in theory, and OTP, time-based OTP. Okay, so if you have any more untestable things you want me to test in the future CTJS, you can let me know. That's it. You can go for lunch now.
Oh, nice. Thank you. So after this, I can listen to music, dance, and wait for my test done.